I'm a fertility consultant. I was trained as an OBGYN, as an obstetrician and gynecologist. After finishing my training and completing 2 different fellowships in different branches of the speciality, I decided to go into fertility because it was the main field of interest. And I knew that it was going to be something massive in the next few years. And indeed, I was not wrong. I decided to dedicate more efforts into understanding much better those kind of processes and helping the people with those things. It is great when you, at the end of a very long journey with a lot of bumps and sometimes failed cycles, failed treatments, very stressful situations, you can tell them after the last scan, you're pregnant, everything's going well. You can tell that the patients are very happy at that point, and that makes me feel good as a doctor. As a medical doctor and as an obstetrician and gynecologist, I'm more focused on genetic problems. So couples affected, for instance, by genetic conditions that could be inherited by the babies, or we know that potentially could cause a problem on the family line. I'm focused on understanding that specific problem and provide them with specific IVF tools in order to get rid of that horrible mutation and not being passed to the offspring. So that's my main field of speciality. But not only that, I have a very extended training in surgery, so I can help with things like uterine malformations, polyp removals, or other conditions that needs to be treated surgically before we can approach the IVF treatment. I always say to my friends that fertility and IVF is a happy specialty, especially those very long journeys that maybe have been with you for years with unsuccessful treatment. When they finally made it and they have a baby, I think it's amazing. Or when they come back again after delivering their babies because they want to extend their family project. I recall last week, for instance, a very beloved patient of mine was able to find me and come to Avenues to have her second child with us. And she introduced me to her little one, and it was amazing to meet them and know that you have changed their life, and that was amazing.